everyone, welcome to MetaEd. In this video, we are going to predict the survival of Titanic. Now, let's start. At the very beginning, I have imported the important library like Pandas, Train Test, Split Level Encoder, SVC, Standard Scalar. Panda for handling the data frame, Train Test, Split for splitting our dataset, Level Encoder for conversion of categorical data into numerical, Support Vector Classifier is our model, and Standard Scalar for transforming our dataset. So at the very first, we have read our the data by using read.csv method of pandas. So first, in our dataset, it contains two type of data: trained data, which we have used for training, and test data, which we will be using for testing our model. So I have here uploaded my trained data. So we can see I have printed here top 5 rows of our data, and the column of our data are passenger ID, survived, P class, name, sex, age, yes, IBSP, pass, ticket, fare, cabin, embarked. So here our data contains 891 rows and 12 columns, and this is the statistical information of our data set. And here it shows the data types of the column and is there any column contains null or not. So here we can see that for passenger ID the data type is integer, for name the data type is object, for age data type is float, and even we can see that age it has some null values, and even for the cabin it has also some null values. And in this one I have removed the name, ticket, cabin from our data age, it does not require for further. And again I have printed the top 5 rows of our dataset. Again I have checked the information of our dataset. Now I have here converted our data categorical dataset into numerical. As we can see that 6 column contains object data type, so we must have to convert it into numerical, and even embark also is object data type, so we must have to convert into numerical. So here I have converted into numerical by using level encoder. So here we can see that now every data set either in integer or float. Again I have here checked is there any column contains null or not. So here we can say that, see that age contain 177 null values. So I have filled that null value by using mean of the age column by using fill.na method. So here I have filled our age column, and we can see that these are my age column. So here I have splitted my data set. X is independent data set and Y is dependent data set. So here I have printed X and Y. In this step I have splitted my data set into X10, Y10, X-test and Y-test by using test size 25% and train size 75%. So here I have imported my model is equal to support vector classifier, and I have fitted our data X10, Y10 to model. And here I have checked the accuracy, it's giving about 71% accuracy, so it's not good. So I have applied standard scalar. Here we can see that I have applied standard scalar on our data set, and here I have fitted that scaled data set to our model, and it's giving the accuracy of 86%. So now it's better than the previous one. And in the last step I have stored my model into pickle file by using pickle.dump method. As we have created our model, now let's test our model. So for that I have imported our test dataset. Here we can see that, and the necessary libraries. So again I have done the, like here, check the is there any column contain null or not, and the data of the data and the row column of the data type. So here again I have dropped the name, ticket and cabin column, And again I have here converted the categorical data into numerical and filled our like age and fair column. And here now we have scaled our data set, and at the last we have loaded our that save file, that one which we have saved by using pickle method. Now here we have uploaded loaded that one file, and we have predicted our result. Here we can see that it's predicting like that. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, subscribe and like. Thank you.